थर्ड क्वेश्चन, थर्ड का पहला सेट है X such that X is a student of class 11 of your school। तो ये मान लेते हैं है X such that X is a student of दूसरा सेट है X such that X is a student of your school। Here clearly all the student of class 11 is also a student of school, so all the element of A is belongs to B, so A is subset of B।